Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Karin Sonyaratri, and today I would like to present my PowerPoint presentation entitled Gamification in Education. Today I would like to present a journal entitled Gamification and Active Learning in Higher Education. Is it possible to match digital society, academia, and student interests? This article was written by Murilo Zamorano and his colleague and published in the International Journal of Educational Technology in Higher Education in 2021. In this presentation, I will explain the background, objective, methodology, findings, and conclusion of the study. Before we know the background, we have to know what is gamification. Gamification is the use of game elements in non-game contexts, such as education. For the example, point, badges, leaderboards, challenge, and reward. Now we move to the background. First, let me explain the background of this research. Nowadays, technology plays an important role in students' life. Many students spend a lot of time using digital devices and interactive applications. However, traditional teaching methods sometimes fail to keep students engaged and motivated in the classroom. Because of this problem, educators have started exploring new teaching strategies. One of these strategies is gamification, which involves using game elements in educational activities to make learning more engaging and enjoyable. Therefore, the researcher conducted this study to investigate whether gamification could improve the learning experience of students in higher education. So, the background is why was this study conducted? For traditional learning often fails to engage digital native students. Students need more interactive learning experience. Gamification is considered a possible solution. We move to advantage and disadvantage of gamification. The advantage is fun learning environment, increased motivation, better student engagement, immediate feedback. And the disadvantage is excessive competition may discourage some students. Requires careful planning by teacher. Students may focus more on rewards. Now we move to research objective. The study aims to examine the impact of gamification on student engagement, measure learning satisfaction, analyze skill development, evaluate academic performance. The main objective of this research, of this study, was to examine the impact of gamification on student engagement, learning experience. Specifically, the researcher want to know whether gamification could increase student engagement, improve learning satisfaction, develop workplace-related skills, and maintain academic. In other words, the study aimed to determine whether game-based elements could support both learning outcomes and student motivation. And the methodology. The methodology used in this research, the study was conducted with university students in higher education. The researcher incorporated several gamification elements into learning activities, such as point, badges, challenge, rewards, and also competitive activity. After implementing this element, the researcher collect and analyze data related to student participation, satisfaction, skill development, and academic performance. This helped them evaluate the effectiveness of gamification in the learning process. Now, let's look at the findings of the study. The result, the results show several positive effects of gamification. First, students became more motivated to participate in classroom activity. Second, their level engagement increased significantly because they were more interested in completing tasks and challenges. Third, students report higher level of satisfaction with their learning experience. In addition, gamification help improve important skills such as teamwork, communication, and problem solving. Most importantly, the study found that gamification did not negatively affect academic performance. In some cases, it even contributed to better learning outcomes. In conclusion, the study suggests that gamification is an effective educational strategy in higher education. It can increase student motivation, engagement, satisfaction, and skill development while maintaining academic achievement. In my opinion, I believe gamification is useful because it makes learning more interactive and enjoyable. However, teachers should balance fun activities with learning objectives. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.